Good morning all. Today we will be discussing regarding the measures of central tendency. So as we know that there are different parameters are there in measures of central tendency. So one of the important measures of central tendency is arithmetic mean. So what do you mean by arithmetic mean? It is defined as the sum of the observations divided by the number of observations. So it is the sum of total observations we have to divide by how many number of observations. While considering the desirable properties of a good measure of central tendency, the mean is having all the criteria and hence it is considered as the best value. So as we know that mean is considered as a best value. So while calculating the arithmetic mean, the sum of the observations we have to divide it by the number of observations. So first we will see regarding the ungrouped data. So ungrouped data means there will be only one single data will be there. What do you mean by grouped data? Here you can see, for example, age in years and number of deaths have given. So it is grouped into two columns. Two data will be there. One is related to the other. So in that condition we can call it as a grouped data. And if the data is single, we can call it as a ungrouped data. For example, for ungrouped data, the formula is x bar is equal to sigma x by n. As I already told, where sigma is denote the sum, x denotes the individual observations and n denotes the number of observations. So, for example, the gain in weight of 5 albino rats over a period of 5 days are 5, 6, 4, 8, 7. So, these are the observations, individual observations. So, how to calculate the arithmetic mean? First, we have to write regarding what do you mean by x. So, 5, 6, 4, 8, 7. These are x. So, how many observations are there? There are 5 observations. So, we have to write like x bar is equal to sigma x means 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7. We have to take a sum of these observations divided by n. Here which is n. So how many observations are there? 5, 6, 4, 8, 7. So there are 5 observations. So we have to divide by the with 5 observations. So 30 by 5 is equal to 6. So the arithmetic mean of ungrouped data, the particular question answer is 6. So next we will see regarding the grouped data. So in case of grouped data or classified data, the arithmetic mean can be calculated with the formula. Little difference is there in the formula, that is x bar is equal to x1 f1 plus x2 f2 plus xn fn infinite divided by f1 plus f2 plus fn. So the x bar is equal to sigma xf divided by n. So I already told grouped data there will be two values. So we have to multiply these two values. Then we have to take the sum of these values. So where capital N, here the formula is x bar is equal to sigma xf divided by capital N. So in previous ungrouped data, x bar is equal to sigma x by small letter n. So where capital N is equal to sigma f, that is total frequency we have to take. Here the x is the value of the individual observations or the mid value of the class if the class intervals are given. F is the corresponding frequency and n is the total frequency. So in this condition, in sigma x, what do you mean by x? X is the value of the individual observation or the mid value of the class. If the class is given, we have to take the mid value. F is the corresponding frequency. So you can see if 0 means the corresponding frequency is 42, 1 means 55. Like that corresponding frequency you have to take. And n is the total frequency. So first we will see one problem. So the following data gives age in years in case of child death. Find the average. So you can see age in years and number of deaths have given. This is the balance of that problem. So in this, how we will solve this problem. So this is a discrete data or discrete series. So it is not a continuous one, it is a discrete series. So what we have to give? Hence age in years is called x and number of deaths is frequency. So for if they have given the two column, for example, that is we have to calculate as grouped data. So first column we have to consider as x, second column we have to consider as f. Then x into f you have to take. So for that we have to make a third column. So first whatever they had given in question we have to write in first column and we have to write it as x. Second column we have to write it as f. Then third column we have to make that is xf. So 0 into 42 0, 1 into 55 55, 2 into 32 64, 3 into 12 66, 4 into 15 60, 5 into 6 30. So number of deaths or frequency. The total frequency how much? 172. In previous solution, previous problem there is total frequency is 5. Here the total frequency is all the number of deaths we have to calculate, that is 172. So what is sigma x of here? All the x of we have to add up. Then you will get a sigma x of the total of x of that is 275. Then we have to apply this into the problem. That is x bar is equal to sigma x of by capital N. Here N is equal to sigma f. So what the total frequency is called capital N or sigma f, that is 172. So x bar is equal to 275 divided by 172, that is 1.6. Here is the average age. So hope you understood regarding the calculation of arithmetic mean in grouped and ungrouped data. Please share to your friends, and mean, median, mode will be taking in next videos. Hope you understood. Thank you.